Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition launch apparently delayed as component issues put Samsung in bind. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. Samsung appears to have delayed the launch of the S21 Fan Edition, and multiple sources claim that the South Korean joint production plan has been set back because of the component shortage. According to a report by South Korean 80 News, which has now been deleted, Samsung has suspended the production of the S21 Fan Edition due to chip shortage. So, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition won't be the first Samsung product to be delayed because of the chip shortage. The Galaxy Note series phone this year has been widely spread due to the semiconductor shortage has been delayed also, and also the latest mid-rangers, the Galaxy A52 and A72 devices has apparently been delayed in various markets for same reason. Most recently, it was reported that the launch of the budget Galaxy Tab S7 FE has been delayed in most markets because of the global semiconductor shortage. Samsung was earlier expected to announced the S21 Fan Edition in August alongside with the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 and new smartwatches. Recent reports about the Unpacked event where the company will likely to reveal the new products made no mention of the S21 Fan Edition. While most of the sources claim that Samsung apparently halted the S21 Fan Edition production because of the chip shortage, well-known tipster Ronald Cordran seems to suggest that production never started in the first place. This is quite unusual for a phone that the company was planning to launch at the same time in August, especially given the Z Fold 3 that was apparently supposed to share the stage with the devices at the next Unpacked event has already been entered in production. Samsung has apparently gone as far as cancelling the part orders, which means production plan has been put on hold indefinitely. Apparently, Samsung wants to keep what limited Snapdragon 888 chips for the Z Fold 3 and Z Flip. The S21 Fan Edition was rumored to feature the same Qualcomm chipsets, so that's probably maybe the reason. Another reason which iUniverse has presented that it was not a shortage of the chipset, rather than that the batteries which are going to be coming is not of the standard. After tweeting that, iUniverse has deleted his tweets. Another leaker who does not have an established track record, he suggests that the phone is currently not expected to release before September, and if the problem persists, Samsung might cancel it altogether. Fortunately, Samsung has replied to Bloomberg, which I quote, "While we cannot discuss detail of the unreleased product, nothing has been determined regarding the alleged production suspension." So as per one report, the issue may have something to do with the cycle between the existing products, which suggests Samsung could be planning to space out releases, possibly to prevent calibration. So guys, that is just speculation. Samsung was counting on the S21 Fan Edition to make up for the less than stellar sale of the S21 series and fill the void that will be left for the absence of Note phones this year. So guys, this is going to be a big deal because if we look at the second half of the year, we will only have the foldable devices coming from Samsung. So it may appear that the S21 Fan Edition might not be coming, so it could be a great hit to Samsung. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.